A civilian-led coalition is on its way to make its first visit to Pag-asa Island in the West Philippine Sea. The group's fourth mission to the area is being done a decade after the Philippine arbitral victory against China's sweeping maritime claims. Francis Orcio has this story.
Early Thursday morning, volunteers from the Atenito Coalition are busy preparing for their fourth mission. Since 2023, Atenito has been sailing to the West Philippine Sea to assert the country's sovereignty. This year, they are heading to Pag-asa Island, which is part of the Kalayaan Island Group. A young Moro volunteer, Almohaimin, traveled all the way from Cotabato City in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao to Manila to join the civilian mission. He used his scholarship to cover his travel expenses.
As a youth na nanggaling sa conflict na area, so ramdam ko yung ano nga ba yung pangangailangan doon sa West Philippine Sea.
Another volunteer, 18-year-old Kyle Quieta, says he wants to show his peers the importance of protecting the country's territory. He is the youngest participant on board.
Gusto ko rin po na maging impluwensya sa iba, lalo na sa amin at lalo na mamulat ang mga kabataang Pilipino na ipaglaban ng West Philippine Sea dahil alam natin na parte ito ng territory po natin.
According to Atenito Fort Civilian Mission Commander Rafaela David, this mission is historic as it marks their first visit to Pag-asa Island. They are bringing supplies including food and fuel which will be distributed to residents and fishers on the island. The mission also includes a medical outreach and a community concert for the local community. A jet ski was also loaded onto the MV Capitan Felix Oca, the vessel used for the voyage.
Pagdating sa Pag-asa Island ay magkakaroon tayo ng patriotic jet ski flag ride. Kasi kung matatandaan natin, yung nakaraang presidente, pinangako mag-jet ski daw siya sa West Philippine Sea. Mukhang hindi na matutupad yon kasi nakakulong na siya at may kaso ang kinakaharap sa ICC.
Akbayan Party List Representative Dada Kiram Ismula will lead the jet ski activity. This is the first time a lawmaker will join the civilian mission. She vows to fight for the needs of residents in Pag-asa Island once the House budget season kicks off.
Isa na rin po doon yung nakita naming pwedeng maibigay ng mga livelihood programs at mga trainings po na mula sa TESDA. At bibigyan din po sana sila ng mga livestock na mula galing sa DA. Bukod doon may mga infrastructure projects din po silang nire-request sa atin. Kaya po mismo, ako na po mismo yung sisilip nito.
The fourth civilian mission coincides with the 10th anniversary of the country's victory in the 2016 arbitral ruling under the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, which affirmed the Philippines' rights in the West Philippine Sea. Retired Rear Admiral Romel Jude Ong, who is also part of the mission, said the initiative sends a clear message amid discussions on a possible joint oil exploration between the Philippines and China in Reed Bank.
One of the critical nexus ng ginagawa natin is yung sa Reed Bank. It should have been explored years ago kasi yung Malampaya Gas to Power project is supposed to expire yung resource na yun by 2027.
The mission is expected to last until May 5, coinciding with the upcoming ASEAN Summit, where the situation in the West Philippine Sea is expected to be discussed. The MV Capitan Felix Oca is scheduled to arrive at Pag-asa Island on Saturday. Francis Orcio, ABS-CBN News.